Hello everyone, welcome to Matrix YouTube channel. Today we are here for the discussion of solutions of Matrix Olympiad paper which was held on 29th of September 2024. We will start from class 8 and the subject is physics. Let us start our discussion. So, our first question. It is said a number of discs each of momentum m kg meter per second are striking on a wall at the rate of n disc per minute. The force associated with these discs in Newton would be. So, from second law of motion, we know that force is equals to rate change of momentum, okay, and the rate of disc falling striking on the wall is given n. So, we will write it n into m and converting this per minute into per second, it will become 60. So, our correct answer will be option A. Next question. The mass of a cubical box is 5 kg. That means mass is given 5 kg, okay, and the dimensions are given 10 multiplied by 20 multiplied by 30. So, if its surface having dimension 10 into 20 meter is placed on the table, then find the pressure exerted by the cubical box on the table. So, the contact surface is given 10 into 20 which is equals to 200, okay, meter square, and we have to find pressure. We know that pressure is equals to force upon area of contact. So, here the force is weight force, W upon A. W can be given by mg divided by A, and m is 5, value of g is 9.8 divided by area is 200. So, on solving this factor, the value of pressure will become 0.245, okay, you can write it Newton per meter square. So, our correct answer is option C. Okay. Next question. Question number 3. Which of the following is true for friction involved? Okay. When an axle rotates in a sleeve, whenever an axle rotates in a sleeve, then a friction came into play, that is sliding friction. Okay. So, option C will be correct answer. Next question. Question number 4, which is a assertion reason question. Let us read assertion. The weight of atmosphere exerts a pressure on surface of earth. Yes, because atmosphere have a weight, so it will exert a pressure. Okay. Next is when we go upward, the magnitude of atmosphere pressure decreases gradually. Yes, as we go at altitudes, the value of pressure decreases. So, both statements are true, but reason is not correct explanation of assertion. So, option B is our correct answer, that is both assertion and reason are true, but the reason is not correct explanation of assertion. Next question. Question number 5 is a match the column question. So, first one, if the friction force is equal to applied force, then friction may be. Whenever the friction force is equal to applied force, definitely it will be static friction because it is a self-adjustable force. So, for P I will write it 2. If the block is moving on the ground, then friction is when any body moves, then the friction associated with it is known as kinetic friction. So, for Q I will write 4. Okay. If the friction force is less than the applied force, then friction may be when object just start moving. When object is just ready to start its motion, that means the value of static friction will be maximum on it, and the maximum value of static friction is known as limiting friction. So, for R I will write 3. Okay. Force of friction is, we know that friction force is a contact force. So, for S I will write 1. So, correct code is 2431. Next question, question number 6, that is based on a paragraph. So, in this paragraph it is said that a force of certain magnitude act on a body. Okay, we don't know the value of force. The mass of the body is 10 kg, that means m is given 10 kg. The time for which the force acting is 10 seconds, that means total time for which the force was acting is equal to 10 seconds. Okay. This force makes the body move at a distance of 50 meter in 5 seconds after the force act on it. That means after the force is applied on the body, in 5 seconds it travels 50 meter. That means, let's say if displacement is given x is equals to 50 meter and the time given is let's say 5 seconds. So I am writing this time by small t. Okay, 5 seconds. So what we have to find out? We have to find out the final velocity of the object. So the final velocity of object will be given by, as we know that the velocity is equals to displacement upon time. Okay, so displacement upon time, we know that the displacement is given 50 meter and time is given 5. That means it is equals to 10 meter per seconds. Okay, so our correct answer is option B. Next question. Next question is based on same paragraph and it is asked, what is the magnitude of force applied on the body? We have to find the value of force. So value of force can be calculated by formula F equal to ma. We have the value of m which is given here 10 kg, but we don't know the value of acceleration. So for acceleration, we know that acceleration is equals to change in velocity with respect to time. Okay, so we know that the final velocity we have calculated in previous question, that was 10. Initially the body was at rest, so initial velocity is 0 and total time of motion is 10. That means acceleration becomes equal to 1 meter per second square. So putting the value of m and a, 10 multiplied by 1, the value of force becomes 10 Newton. That means option B is our correct answer. So we have discussed all the questions of physics subject. For more information or any update, subscribe this YouTube channel, or you can also join our WhatsApp channel. The link of WhatsApp channel is given in the description of this video. If you have doubt in any question, then please press ask the doubt button which is provided in your profile of MOF. Thank you very much.
Hello everyone. Welcome to you all on Matrix YouTube channel. Now we will discuss the MOF paper solution of class 8 which was conducted on 29th September 2024. Let's see the question. The question is, which form of coal contains the highest carbon content? First is option A is anthracite, option B is peat, option C is lignite, and all have same carbon content. No, all do not have same carbon content. And if we discuss about the remaining three, peat have around 30 to 40% of carbon content, lignite have around 50% carbon content, and one more, bituminous have around 60 to 70% carbon content. And if we discuss about the anthracite, anthracite have 80% or more than 80% carbon content. So according to the question, which form of the coal contain the highest carbon content? So the option A is the right option for this question. Now let's see the next question. The next question is, ethyl mercaptan is added to LPG. Options are to give color to it, to give volume to it, to give smell to it, to give it, to make it liquid. Okay, first we will discuss about the ethyl mercaptan. Ethyl mercaptan. The formula of the ethyl mercaptan is CH3CH2SH, means it is a compound of thioalcohol, and the IUPAC name of this compound is ethane thiol. Okay, so the ethyl mercaptan is generally added in the LPG because LPG is odorless gas, and to detect that if in any condition it is leaked or not, so in that condition to provide a specific smell to LPG, we add the ethyl mercaptan, or we can say the ethane thiol. So this compound have a very pungent smell like the rotten egg, so it can give a specific smell to LPG, so we can identify if there any leak in the gas cylinder. So the option C, to give smell to it, is a right option for this question. The next question is assertion reason type question, and the question is, first let's see the assertion statement. The assertion is CNG and LPG are clean fuels, and the reason is they do not leave any residue on burning. Yes, both statements are correct statement. CNG and LPG are known as the clean fuels because they do not have any residue, or they do not excrete any smoke, or we can say they excrete or they liberate the less amount of carbon dioxide. So because of that, CNG and LPG are clean fuels and they do not leave any residue on burning. So because of that, they are known as a clean fuel. And even LPG is odorless gas, so these are LPG and CNG are clean fuels. Now let's see the options. Both assertion and reason are the true, and the reason is correct explanation of assertion. Yes, the option A is the right option for this question because they do not have any residue on burning. Means every substances, like if we burn any substance, then they have some residue. So because of that, they do not known as the clean fuels. But in the case of CNG and LPG, they do not have any residue, and even they liberate or they excrete the less amount of carbon dioxide. So because of that, they all are known as the clean fuels. So the option A is the right option for this question. Now let's see the next question. The next question is match column first with column second and select the correct answer using the codes given below. Okay, now let's see the column first. P, materials which burn readily. Q is heat produced by burning unit mass of fuel. R is point of catching fire, and S is power generated by the burning fuel. Now let's see the column second. Thermal power, ignition temperature, calorific value, and combustible. Now let's see the column first. Materials which burn readily. Okay, the substances which burn readily, or we can say rapidly, are known as the inflammable substances, or we can say combustible substances. So the P match with option 4. P match with option 4. Now let's see the next option. The next option is heat produced by burning unit mass of fuel. So the heat produced by burning unit mass of fuel is known as the calorific value, and the unit of the calorific value is kilojoule per kilogram. So the option Q is matched with the third option. Okay, now let's see the next. Point of catching fire. So the point of catching fire is known as the ignition temperature. If any substance catch fire at any point, so that point is known as the ignition temperature. So the R is matched with second, and now the last is power generated by the burning fuel. Okay, so there are different types of reaction which produce different types of the powers, or we can say different types of energy, like chemical energy, thermal energy, heat energy, okay, electrical energy. So when we burn fuel, then power generated are known as the thermal energy, or we can say thermal power. So the S match with first. So 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2 and 1. So the option B is the right option for this question. Now let's see the next question. Next question is paragraph based question. Now let's see the paragraph. Combustion is defined as a rapid exothermic reaction. Exothermic reactions means the reaction which release a lots of energy, and endothermic reactions is the reaction which gain the energy or which absorb the energy, that liberates huge amount of energy as heat and flame. For combustion, necessary conditions are presence of combustible substances, heat and air. Combustion is generally classified as rapid combustion, incomplete combustion and explosion. Okay, now let's see the question. The question is firework is an example of rapid combustion, explosion, spontaneous combustion and slow combustion. Basically, firework is an example of explosion. in explosion, at the time of explosion, the lot of amount of heat, energy, and basically sounds are released at the point of explosion, or we can say in the explosion, or we can say explosive combustion. So the rapid combustion is wrong. Okay, rapid combustion is generally happen when we strike the matchstick. Okay, and the next is the spontaneous combustion. Spontaneous combustion also a wrong option, and slow combustion is also a wrong option. Now the explosion. So basically the fireworks is an example. Firework is an example of the explosion which release a huge amount of energy, heat, and sound also. Okay, so the option B is the right option for this question. Now let's see the next question. The next question is, when a matchstick is struck against the rubbing surface of the matchbox, red phosphorus firstly. So in this question, the red phosphorus firstly react with potassium chlorate. B option is convert into the white phosphorus, ignites the antimony trisulfide, or none of this. Basically there is a process, means when we rub the matchstick against the surface of the matchbox, firstly the red phosphorus, which is less toxic and less reactive, firstly convert into the white phosphorus, which is more reactive than red phosphorus. Okay, so when the red phosphorus convert into white phosphorus, after that it reacts with the potassium chlorate, and that potassium chlorate ignites the antimony trisulfide. And in the question is red phosphorus firstly convert into. So the red phosphorus firstly converts into white phosphorus, and then this white phosphorus reacts with potassium chlorate, and this potassium chlorate after that ignites the antimony trisulfide. So according to this question, the option B is the right option for this question. Thank you. Thanks a lot. And for more information regarding MOF Matrix Olympiad, you can subscribe our YouTube channel, and you can join our WhatsApp channel also. And if you have any doubt, any query in any question, so there is one more option, ask a doubt, and all the links are provided in the description box. Thank you.
Hello student, welcome to Matrix High School. Today we discuss about Matrix Olympiad paper solution for class 8th biology portion. Start. First question. Which one of the following is not true about antibiotics? First option is, first antibiotic was discovered by Alexander Fleming. That is right statement. And next, the term antibiotic was coined by Waxman in 1942. Next option, some persons can be allergic to a particular antibiotic. And last, each antibiotic is effective only against one particular kind of germ. According to question, not true about antibiotics. Option D is the right answer. That is not true, because antibiotic help in kill or prevent microbes, but in this statement antibiotic is effective only against one particular kind of germ. That is wrong statement. So according to question, option D is the right answer. Next question is, Saccharomyces cerevisiae is fungus that help in anaerobic fermentation, also called baker's yeast. So according to question, Saccharomyces cerevisiae is used in the formation of ethanol, methanol, acetic acid, antibiotics. Used in ethanol according to question. Also used in baker product. So Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Right answer related to ethanol. That is anaerobic fermentation and raw material used for bakery product and also used in ethanol formation. Next question is biopesticide include only bioinsecticide, only bioherbicide, bioinsecticide and bioherbicide, bioherbicide, bioinsecticide and biofertilizer. Pest that include for insects. So biopesticide that prevent insect. So right answer is bioinsecticide. Plant material or naturally some microbes use for prevention insect. Biopesticide is a biological insecticide that is used to prevent crops from insects. So according to question, our right answer is only bioinsecticide. Next question is farmers have to add manure to the field to make the soil nutrient rich. This is assertion A. And next reason, continue cultivation of crops make the soil rich in nutrient. That is wrong, because continue cultivation decrease the nutrient value. So add manure to the field to make soil nutrient rich, increase the nutrient value. Both assertion A and reason are true and reason R is correct explanation of assertion A. That is wrong, because reason is wrong statement. Both assertion A wrong, assertion A is true and reason R is false. That is right answer for this question, because manure is adding to rich nutrient value in soil, but continue cultivation is decrease the nutrient value in soil. So option C is the right answer for this question. Next question is match column first and column second. Weeding, digging and bird formation, tilling and sowing. Seed drill machine, seed drill, and wooden plow, spade and khurpa. And according to this question, weeding is related to khurpa. In option B, digging and bird formation is spade, related to spade, and tilling, that is wooden plow, and sowing related to seed drill. In diagram, khurpa, that is help in weeding. Next one is spade, drill machine, and next wooden plow. So right answer according to question option B. Next question is paragraph question 19 and 20 question. Viruses are microscopic but are different from other microorganisms. They, however, reproduce only inside the cell of the host organism, which may be a bacterium, plant, or animal cell. Because viruses are non-living outside the host body, and inside the host body they behave like living. According to paragraph, question 19 is a virus is made up of option A, protein, coat and nucleic acid, protein, coat and mitochondria, nucleic acid and cell membrane, and option D, nucleic acid, cell wall and cell membrane. In virus, outer layer that is made up of protein and inner material that is genetic material, genome. So our right answer according to question, protein and nucleic acid. Protein and nucleic acid, option A is the right answer. Mitochondria not present, cell membrane not present, cell wall not present. So B, C, D is the wrong option. Next, which of the following disease is caused due to virus? Pneumonia, that is wrong. Ascariasis, that is wrong. Measles is the right answer for this question, and cholera is also wrong. Measles caused by virus, and so many rashes formed on skin. So according to question, right answer is measles, that is caused by virus. Thank you. These are the all solution for class 8th. For more update, please subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.
Hello friends, welcome back in Matrix Olympiad, which is conducted on 29th September 2024. Now we will discuss the solution of mathematics part. So coming to question number 21. Question is the number which should be added to twice the rational number minus 7 by 9 to get 3 by 7. So let us assume that number is x. So x, and we have to add, so we have to write here plus sign and twice of minus 7 by 9 to get 3 by 7. So here we have to solve this equation now. So x minus 14 upon 9 is equal to 3 by 7. So here x equal to 3 by 7 plus 14 upon 9. Now we have to take LCM. So LCM is 63. Now 7 divided by 63 is 9, and 9 multiplied by 3 is 27, plus 9 divided by 63 is 7, and 7 multiplied by 14 is 98, and we have to add these two numbers. So we will get 8 plus 7 is 15, carry 1, 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 2 12, so it is 125 upon 63. So right answer is C option. Now coming to next question, solve for x, 1 upon x plus 1 plus 1 upon x plus 2 equal to 2 upon x plus 10. Now we have to take again LCM. LCM is x plus 1 into x plus 2, and here it is now we have to divide x plus 1 by this whole denominator, so we will get x plus 2, so it is x plus 2 plus, similarly here we will get x plus 1 is equal to 2 upon x plus 10. Now we have to solve numerator and denominator, so we will get here 2x plus 3 upon multiplied by these two terms, so we will get x square plus 2x plus x plus 2 is equal to 2 upon x plus 10. Again we have to solve this equation, so we will get 2x plus 3 upon x square plus 3x plus 2 is equal to 2 upon x plus 10. Now we have to cross multiply these two equations, so we will get 2x plus 3 into x plus 10 is equal to 2 into x square plus 3x plus 2. Now multiply these two equations and these two equations, so we will get 2x square plus 20x plus 3x plus 30 is equal to 2x square plus 6x plus 4. So here this 2x square and 2x square are cancelled out. So we will get 23x plus 30 is equal to 6x plus 4. Now again we have to take constant term is one side and variable in one side. So we will get 23x minus 6x is equal to 4 minus 30. So we will get 17x is equal to minus 26. So our answer x equal to minus 26 upon 17, and which is option number A. Now coming to next question. Next question is two numbers are in the ratio 5:7. If the sum of the number is 144, find the difference between the numbers. So first we have to assume number are, so first number is A, which is equal to 5x, and the second number is B, which is equal to 7x. In this question, given that the sum of the numbers, so it means A plus B is given 144. So put the value of A and B, we will get 5x plus 7x is equal to 144. 5x plus 7x is 12x, and 12x equal to 144. So we will get x equal to 12. So our answer x equal to 12. Now the question is find the difference between the numbers. So our number is A, and A is equal to 5x. It means 5 into 12, which is equal to 60. Second number is B, which is equal to 7x, and 7 into 12 is equal to 84. The difference between these two numbers is 84 minus 60, which is equal to 24. So our answer is A option, 24. Now coming to next question. The equivalent rational number of 7 by 9 whose denominator is 45. So we have to write fraction 7 upon 9 is equal to, denominator is given 45, and here we have to assume numerator is x, and we want to calculate the equivalent rational number of 7 by 9. So first we have to get the value of x from this equation. So we have to solve these two equations. So 7 into 45 is equal to 9 into x. From here we will get x equal to 7 into 45 upon 9, and we will get x equal to 9 5s are 45. So it is 7 5s are 35. So the equivalent fraction of 7 by 9 is 35 upon 45, and which is option number B. So right option is option B. Now coming to next question. 7 by 11 of the money in Sonia's bank account altogether is rupees 77,000. How much money does Sonia have in her bank account? So how much money is there? 77,000. So let us assume the total money is x. So 7 by 11 of means multiplication. So 7 by 11 into x is equal to 77,000. So solve this equation. So you will get x equal to 77,000 into 11 upon 7. Now 7 1 ja 7, 7 1 ja 7, and these 3 zeros are here. So 11,000 into 11 is 1,21,000. So 1,21,000 is the right answer. So it is option number B. Now coming to the next question, 26. The product of the additive and multiplicative inverse of 1 by 3. So we have to find out the product, but the product is the additive inverse of 1 by 3 and the multiplicative inverse of 1 by 3. So additive inverse of 1 by 3 is 1 by 3 is minus 1 by 3, and multiplicative inverse of 1 by 3 is 3. The product of additive inverse and multiplicative inverse is AI, additive inverse into multiplicative inverse, is equals to minus 1 by 3 into 3, and we will get minus 1, and which is option number D. Now coming to the next question, which is question number 27. What should be subtracted from the half of minus 1 by 3 to obtain double of 5 by 6? So let us assume the number x is subtracted from this number. So we have to get the equation. So equation is half of minus 1 by 3 is 1 by 2 into minus 1 by 3, and subtracted is x, subtracted number is x. So 1 by 2 into minus 1 by 3 minus x is equal to double of 5 by 6. So 2 into 5 by 6. So solve this equation. So we will get minus 1 by 6 minus x is equal to 10 upon 6. So here we will get minus 1 by 6 minus 10 by 6 is equal to x, and take LCM. So LCM is 6. So here it is minus 1 minus 10 equal to x. So we will get x equal to minus 11 by 6. So that number is minus 11 by 6. So answer is option number A. Now the next question is question number 28. Solve for x 2x minus 7 upon 4 minus 1 minus x upon 6 is equal to 17. So here you can see the bracket are given in 1 minus x. So we have to take care of this bracket. Now first we have to take LCM. So LCM of this 4 and 6 is 12. Now 4 divided by 12 is 3. So 3 multiplied by 2x minus 7. So I have to write here 3 into 2x minus 7 minus 6 divided by 12 is 2. So I have to write here 2 into bracket 1 minus x is equal to 17. Now solve this equation. So 3 into 2x is 6x minus 21 minus 2 plus 2x upon 12 is equal to 17. Now cross multiply. 6x plus 2x is 8x minus 21 minus 2 is minus 23 is equal to 17 into 12. And 17 into 12 we will get 12 7 ja 84, carry 8, 12 1 ja 12, 12 and 8 is 200. So it is 204. 8x is equal to 204 plus 23, which is equal to 227. So x equal to 227 upon 8. So right option is option number B. Now the next question is question number 29. In which of the following cases is the construction of trapezium not possible? So if 3 sides and 1 diagonal is given, then trapezium is possible. If 2 sides and 2 angles are given, then also trapezium is possible. If 2 sides is given, then trapezium is possible. But if 3 sides and 1 angle is given, then trapezium is not possible. So right option is D option. Now coming to next question. That is question number 30. So question number 30 is a parallelogram in which diagonals are not equal but bisect each other at right angle. So here you can see these three, rectangle, square and rhombus, these are the parallelogram, special type of parallelogram, but trapezium is not a parallelogram. But in this question is given diagonals are not equal. Diagonals are not equal but they bisect each other at the right angle. So right option is C option, rhombus. That type of parallelogram is known as rhombus. Now coming to the next question. The range of x 16, 39, 42, 53 and 80 is 45. Which of the following can be the value of x? And we know the range is maximum value minus minimum value. Range equals to maximum value minus minimum value. So here you can see maximum value is 80 and the minimum value is x and range is 45, and we have to calculate the value of x. So x equal to 80 minus 45, 10 minus 5 is 5 and 7 minus 4 is 3. So right option is 35. So minimum value is 35. So x is 35. Now coming to the next question. The mid value of class interval is called. The mid value of class interval is called class mark. So right option is A. Here the next question is 2 coins are tossed simultaneously. What is the probability of getting no head? If 2 coins are tossed, then the total possible outcomes are head head, head tail, tail head and tail tail. So here 4 possible outcomes are there. Total possible outcomes are there 4, and we have to find out the probability of getting no head. So here no head chance is only 1, that is t comma t. So the probability of this is 1 upon 4, total outcomes are 4, and the favorable outcomes is 1. So probability is 1 by 4. That is option number C. Now coming to the next question, 34. Find the smallest number which we divide 3, 7, 8, 4, 5 so as to get a perfect square number. So here we have to take prime factorization of this number. So number is 3, 7, 8, 4, 5. This number is divisible by 5. So I have to divide this number by 5. 5 7s are 35. Remainder is 2 and this number is 8. So 28. 5 5s are 25. Remainder is 3 and this number is 4. So it is 34. 5 6 are 30 and it is 45 and 5 9 are 45. Now this number is divided by 3. 3 2s are 6. 1 5. 3 5s are 15. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. Now this number is also divisible by 3. So 3 8s are 24. 3 4s are 12. 3 1s are 3 and 841 is the square of 29. So it is divisible by 29. 29 29 ja 841. So it is also divisible by 29. So here this 29 makes a pair. This 3 makes a pair. But this 5 is not making a pair. So right option is 5. So if we divide this number by 5, so we will get the perfect square number. So here the right answer is 5, option number A. Now coming to the next question, question number 35. There are 500 children in a school for a PT drill. They have to stand in such a manner that the number of rows is equal to number of columns. How many children would be left out in this arrangement? So in this question, we have to take square root of 500 by the long division method. So we have to take square root of 500 by the method of long division method. So first we have to make a pair. So from left side we have to make a pair. So 0 0 is one pair, 5 is left and we have to divide this number by 2. So 2 2s are 4. Here remainder is 1. Now we have to copy this pair only 100 and this quotient will be added to this 2. So 2 plus 2 is 4. Now we have to divide this 100. So what we have to write here to get 100 or and less than the value of 100. So we have to write here 2. Again we have to write here 2. So 42 2s are 84. The remainder is 16. So 22 rows and 22 columns are making and 16 is left. So 16 students are left in the arrangement. So right option is A. Again, the next question is question number 36. If cube root of 1331 is 11, then find the values of cube root of 1.331 plus cube root of 0.001331, right? So first we have to make these decimal numbers into cube root of 1331 because we know the value of cube root of 1331, that is 11. So here the cube root of, we have to divide this number by 1000 because after decimal there are 3 values. So we have to divide this by 1000. So we will get 1331 divided by 1000 plus cube root of 0.001331. Here the after decimal there are 6 digits. So we have to write it is 1331 divided by 1 and 6 zeros are there, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And we know the cube root of 1331 which is given 11. So 11 and cube root of 1000 is 10. So it is 11 by 10 plus cube root of 1331 is again 11 and cube root of 10 to the power 6, it is 10 to the power 6. So I have to write it is 10 to the power 6 and we have to find out the cube root of 10 to the power 6. So you just divide this 3 by this 6. So you will get 10 to the power 2. So here 11 upon 10 plus 11 upon 100. Take LCM. So it is 100. 10 divided by 100 is 10. 10 into 11 is 110 plus 100 divided by 100 is 1. 100 divided by 100 is 1 and it is 11. So 110 plus 11 is 121 upon 100 and we will get 1.21. So right option is A. Now coming to the next question. Now question number 37, which is represent 7 by 4 on the number line. So we have to read P, Q, R and S statement and tell the what is the right step of solving this question. So you have to read all the statement one by one and take the answer. So here you can read first Q option, draw a number line and mark 0 on it to represent 0. So first step is, first you have to draw the number line. Next you can see S, take a point A to represent 1 and B to represent 2 at equal distance. First we have to take 1 and 2. So second step is S. Next is P, you have to see the P option, divide the distance between A and B in 4 equal parts. Now we have to divide A1, A1, A2, A2, A3 and A3B. Because the denominator is 4, so we have to take 4 equal parts. So next, third step is P and the remaining fourth step is R. So it is QSPR. So right option is QSPR. Now the next question is, half of a herd of deer are grazing in the field and 3/4 of the remaining are playing nearby. The rest 9 are drinking water from the pond. Calculate total number of deers in the herd. So first step is R. Let the number of deer is X. So deer grazing the field is X by 2. Remaining deer is X minus X by 2 is X by 2 according to question. So first step is R. The next step is deer playing nearby is 3 by 4. So X by 2 of 3 by 4 is 3X by 8. So first step is R. Second step is P. Third step is according to question. According to question is given X minus X by 2 minus 3X by 8 equal to 9. So third step is 3. Now the next fourth step is we have to solve this equation. 8x minus 4x minus 3x upon 8 equal to 9. So hence x equals to 72. So fourth step is S. So right step is RPQS. RPQS is option number C. Now coming to the next question. Coming to the question number 39. The measure of each interior angle of a regular hexagon is 120 degree, which is right. So interior angle of regular hexagon is 120 degree. Next is sum of all interior angle of a polygon of n side is 2n minus 4 into right angle. So it is also a right option. But the reason is not true for the A option. So option B is correct here. Both the assertion and reason are true, but R is not the correct explanation of assertion A. Now coming to the next question. That is question number 40. We know that 9 divided by 3 is 3. So we know that this is true. 9 cube divided by 3 cube is 27, which is also true. 8 divided by 2 is 4 and 8 cube is divided by 2 cube. It is 64. So it is also true. If A divides B, then A cube divides B cube. So it is right. And reason R is the correct explanation of assertion A. So right option is A. Now coming to the next question. That is question number 41. Which of the following statement are true or false? So read one by one every statement and check if it is true or false. So if all angles of a quadrilateral are equal, it is a rectangle. So it is a true statement. If all angles of a quadrilateral are equal, then it is a rectangle. Next is in a parallelogram, the diagonals are equal. In a parallelogram, diagonals are equal. It is false statement. So because in a parallelogram, diagonals are not equal. Next step is the adjacent angles of a parallelogram equal. It is also a false statement because the adjacent angles of a parallelogram are 180 degree. They are supplementary angles. Next step is the diagonals of a rectangle are of equal length. So it is true statement. So option is TFFT. So TFFT is option number A. So right option is A option. Now coming to the next question, which is question number 42. Which of the following statement are true and false? So 75% of 16. So 75%, it means divide by 100 of 16. Let's check. So 2 8s are 16. 2 divided by 100 is 50. 5 divided by 75 is 15. 5 divided by 50 is 10, and it is 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 5 divided by 15 is 3, 3 4s are 12, so right answer is 12, but it is given 75% of 16 is 10, so it is false statement. The ratio of 50 paisa to 5 paisa is 10:1, so let's check 50 paisa and 5 rupees, so we have to convert 5 rupees into a paisa, so 5 multiplied by 100, so 50 divided by 100 is 2, so it is 1 divided by 10, so right answer is 1 by 10, but it is given 10:1, so it is also a false statement. Next is 135% of 80 centimeter is 108 centimeters, so let's check 135%, it means 135 divided by 100 into 80, let's check 0 and 0 are cancel out, 2 4s are 8 and 2 5s are 10, 5 divided by 135 is 27, 27 into 4 is 108, so it is right, so it is true statement. The ratio of 5 meter to 10 kilometer is 1:2000, so let's check 5 divided by 10 kilometer, we have to convert into meter, so 10 into 1000, 5 divided by 10 is 2, so it is 1/2000, so ratio is 1:2000, so it is also a true, so right option is FFTT, so FFTT is option number B, right? Now coming to the next question, that is question number 43. Which of the following statement is true or false? So the value of, let's check one by one. So the first question is the value of square root of 0.16 upon 0.4 is 2. So let's solve this square root. So it is 16 divided by 4 is, here we have to write 10 for removing this decimal value, and here we have to divide 100 for removing this decimal value. So it is 0 and 0 are cancel out. The square root of 16 is 4. The square root of 16 is 4. Square root of 4 is 2. And it is 1 upon under root 10. So it is 2 upon under root 10 and it is given 2. So it is a false statement. Next is 1528 is a perfect cube. So let's check. So we have to prime factorization of 1528. This number is divisible by 2. So we have to divide by 2. 2 7s are 14. 1 2. 2 6s are 12. 2 4s are 8. 764. It is again divisible by 2. 2 3s are 6. 2 8s are 16. 2 2s are 4. It is again divisible by 2. So 2 1s are 2. 2 9s are 18. 2 1s are 2. But we know that 191 is not a perfect cube number. So 1528 is a perfect cube. It is a false statement. So 1528 is not a perfect cube number. The square root of 12321 is 12321. We know the square of 11 square is 121 and square of 1 square is 1221, and we have to write addition of these two numbers. So it is 12321. So it is a true statement. So third statement is true. The cube of 12 is 1728, and we know the 12 cube is 1728. We have to divide 12 into 12 into 12 and we will get 1728. So it is also a true. So right option is FFTT. FFTT is option number D. So right option is option number D. Next is question number 44. Match column 1 with column 2. So here convert ratio into percentage. We have to convert these ratio into a percentage. So coming to P option, P is 2 upon 5. So we have to write 2 upon 5 and multiplied by 100. So 5 divided by 100 is 20. So we will get 40. So it is 40%. So here 40% is third. So answer of P is 3. Next is Q. Q is 3 by 8 into 100. So it is 4 2s are 8 and 4 को 100 से divide करेंगे. So we will get 25. So again 25 3s are 75. 75 upon 2 is 37.5. So the 37.5 is 2. So the answer of Q is option number 2. Next is 2 by 11. So it is 2 by 11 into 100. So here we have to divide 200 by 11. We will get 11 ones are 11. 90, 11 8s are 88, 20, 11 ones are 11. So we will get 18.1%. So here it is a fourth option. So for R, the option number is 4. Next is 4 by 9. So it is 4 by 9 into 100. We have to divide 400 by 9. We will get 9 4s are 36. 40, 9 4s are 36. We will get 44.44%. So for option S, right option is 1. So the arrangement are 3 2 4 1. So 3 2 4 1 is option number D. So right option is D. Now coming to the next question, match column 1 and column 2. So first is associative law. Associative law is if A, B and C are rational number, then A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. So for associative law, third is correct. Next is commutative law. Commutative law is if A and B are rational number, then A plus B equal to B plus A. So for Q, second is correct. Now third is distributive law. Distributive law is if A, B and C are rational number, then A into B plus C equal to AB plus AC. So for R, it is fourth is correct. For last is closure law. Closure law is if A and B are rational number, then A plus B is also a rational number. So for S, it is a 1. So right option is 3 2 4 1, which is option number B. Question number 46. If 3 coins are tossed together, find the probability of getting. So we have to write first the total outcomes. If 3 coins are tossed together, then the total outcomes are 8. So write here HH, HT, TT, TH. Again we have to write HH, HT, TT, TH. 4 times I have to put here H and 4 times I have to put here T. So first is exactly 2 heads. So I have to write here favorable outcomes. So favorable outcomes for 2 heads. So exactly 2 heads. So exactly 2 heads are HHT, HTH and THH. So the favorable outcomes are 3. So probability is 3 by 8. So it is 3 by 8 is in 4th. Next is at least 2 tells. So at least 2 tells. So at least 2 tells. For at least 2 tells, favorable outcomes are HTT or THT, TTT and TTH. So how many times? So it is 4 times. So favorable outcomes are 4. So the probability is 4 by 8. It is 1 by 2. So for this, it is 1 by 2. Next is at most 2 head. So for at most 2 head, the total outcomes are the 8 and the favorable outcomes are at most 2 head. So it is HHT, HTT, HTH, THH, THT, TTT and TTH. So favorable outcomes are 7. So the probability is 7 by 8. Next is at least 3 tells. So at least 3 tells. So the favorable outcome is only 1. That is TT. So favorable outcomes is 1. So the probability is 1 by 8. So right option is 4, 1, 2, 3. So that is option number B. So right answer is 4, 1, 2, 3. Now the next question is paragraph based question. If the selling price of an article is greater than the cost price and the difference between selling price and the cost price is called profit. So in this paragraph, the formula is given. That formula is profit is equal to the difference between the selling price and the cost price, the profit is equals to selling price minus cost price. So coming to the question number 47, cost price is equal to 770 and selling price is 1000, then the profit is, so we have to put here the values of selling price and cost price. So we will get profit equal to selling price, that is 1000, and the cost price is 770, that is 770. So we will get profit is equals to 1000 minus 770, which is equal to 230. So right option is D. Now coming to the next question, question number 48. If selling price is 1260, profit is 460, then the cost price is, again we have to write the formula. Formula is profit is equals to selling price minus cost price. Here profit is given, that is 460, selling price is 1260, and cost price we have to find out. So now solve this equation. So we will get cost price is equals to 1260 minus 460, and that is equal to 800. So we will get the answer is 800, that is option number D. Now coming to the next question, question number 49. In this paragraph it is given a rectangle has a perimeter of 60 centimeter. So the question is, and we know the perimeter of rectangle. The perimeter of rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth. It is the formula of perimeter of rectangle, and it is given 60 centimeter. So I have to write it is 2 into L plus D equal to 60 centimeter. Now the question is, if the length and the breadth of a rectangle is K plus 4 and 3K minus 2 centimeter respectively, then the value of K is. So we have to put the length and breadth in this formula. So we will get 2 into K plus 4 plus 3K minus 2 is equal to 60. Now solve this equation. So we will get 2 into 3K plus K is 4K, 4 minus 2 is plus 2 is equal to 60. Now 4K plus 2 is 60 divided by 2, which is equal to 30. So 4K is equal to 30 minus 2 is equal to 28. So K equal to 7. So we will get the value of K, that is equal to 7. So option number A is correct. Now coming to the last question. The length and breadth of the rectangle is, we know the length is K plus 4 and breadth is 3K minus 2. Length is K plus 4. So length is K plus 4 and breadth is 3K minus 2, and in previous question we have to calculate the value of K, that is equal to 7. So length is 7 plus 4 is equal to 11, and the breadth is 3 into 7 minus 2, 7 3s are 21, 21 minus 2 is 19. So length is 11 and breadth is 19. So the option number is B. So these all are the solutions of maths part. So that's all from my side. So if you want more updates on Matrix Olympiad, so you can subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you so much.
Hello student, welcome to Matrix YouTube channel. We are here to discuss the solution of Matrix Olympiad paper of class 8 reasoning conducted on 29 September 2024. Hope you performed very well. So let's get started. So question number first. So question number 51. Find the missing term of given series. So series is 4, 15, 58, 2, 2, 9. Next is missing. After missing, next is 3, 6, 4, 6, 4, 3. So first find the pattern. What is the pattern used in this series? So in this series, 4 multiply by 4 minus 1, it means 15. Now 15 multiply by 4 minus 2. 15 multiply by 4, it means 60. Minus 2, it means 58. 58. After 58, 58 multiply by 4 minus 3. 58 multiply by 4, it means 232 minus 3. 232 minus 3, it means 229. After 229, 229 similarly multiply by 4. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, now minus 4. 229 multiplied by 4 minus 4. 229 multiplied by 4, it means 916 minus 4, it means 912. 912. So missing term is 912. So here option C is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 52. Find the next term of the given series. Series is VH0, ZL00, DQ000, HW 4 times 0, LD 5 times 0. Find the next term. So first, taking first alphabet of each term. So first alphabet of each term is V. After V, next is Z. After Z, next is D. After D, next is H. After H, next is L. And find the next. Next is missing. So V, it means 22. Z, it means 26. 22 plus 4, it means 26. Now 26 plus 4, it means 30. 30, also known as D. Now 30 plus 4, it means 34. 34, also known as H. Now 34 plus 4, it means 38. 38, it means L. Now 38 plus 4, it means 42. So 42, also known as P, because you cross over the Z. So first missing alphabet is P. Now after this, take second alphabet of each term. So H, L, Q, W. After W, next is D, and find the next. H, it means 8. L, it means 12. Q, it means 17. W, it means 23. D. So 8 plus 4, it means 12. 12 plus 5, it means 17. Now 17 plus 6, it means 23. Similarly, 23 plus 7, it means 30. 30, also known as D. Similar, 30 plus 8, it means 38. 38, also known as L. So missing alphabet is P and L. Now number series: single 0, 2 times 0, triple 0, 4 times 0, 5 times 0. Now next is 6 times 0. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, and again 0. So it means option C is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 53. Which sequence of letters when placed at the blanks one after the other will complete the given letter series? So in this series, after V, after T, next after T letter is V. After T, next letter is V. G, after G, next letter is H. S, after S, next letter is T. After V, before H, letter is G. After S, next letter is T. Before G, letter is V. So missing alphabet is T, V. After H, next alphabet is S. T, V, S. After V, next letter is G. T, V, G, V, H, T, G. So missing alphabet is T, V, S, G, V, H, T, G. It means option A. Option A is the correct answer of this question. So now let's move on to the next question. Question number 54. Rahul put its timepiece on the table in such a way that at 6 p.m. our hand points towards south. In which direction the minute hand will point at 9:15 p.m. Before starting this question, as we know, there are 4 types of main direction. One is north. This is the east. This is the south. Opposite of north is south, and opposite of east is west. And there are 4 types of cardinal direction. This is the northeast, this is the southeast, and this is the southwest, and this one is northwest. Okay, now according to question. So according to question, time is 6 p.m. This is the hour hand and this is the minute hand. Time is 6 p.m. Now hour hand shows the direction of north. So this is the north, and opposite direction of north is south. So this is the south, and 90 degree clockwise of north is east. So here is east. Now opposite of east is west. So this is the west. So now time is 9:15. Now time is 9:15. This is the hour hand and this is the minute hand. Now time is 9:15. So what is the direction of minute hand? So direction of minute hand is in west direction. So here option D is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. Question is 55. Choose the alternative which is closely resemble the mirror image of the given combination. So find the mirror image of given figure. So here this is the mirror. Now find the mirror image of given figure. So the part of an object which is near to the mirror, so it will remains near the mirror in the mirror image. So mirror image of given figure look like this. So this is the correct mirror image of the given figure. So here option A is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the question number 56. Choose the alternatives which is closely resemble the water image of the given combination. So to find the water image of the given combination. The water is always at the bottom of the object. So first find the water image of E. So water image of E look like this, and then find the water image of 8. So this is the water image of 8. Now find the water image of T. So this is the water image of T. Now water image of 4. This is the water image of 4. Now water image of E. So this is the water image of E. Now water image of 9. So this is the water image of 9. Now water image of C. This is the water image of C. So here option D is the correct answer of this question, because option D is the correct water image of given combination. So now let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 57. During a prize distribution ceremony, Vikram was 9th place from the left, while Janvi was 8th place from the right. If Hariom was 13th place from the left and was exactly in the middle of Vikram and Janvi, then what is the total number of people in the row? In a row of prize distribution ceremony, position of, this is the left end of the row and this is the right end of the row. So position of Vikram was 9th from the left. So position of Vikram is 9th from the left, and position of Janvi was 8th place from the right. Position of Janvi from the right is 8th place, and if Hariom was 13th place from the left, this is the left. So position of Hariom is 13th from the left. Now here is Hariom. So position of Hariom is 13 from the left end. So how many people in between Hariom and Vikram? So there are 3 people in between Hariom and Vikram, and Hariom was exactly in the middle of Vikram and Janvi. So it means 3 people also in between Hariom and Janvi. So position of Hariom from the right is 8 plus 4. 8 plus 4. It means 12th. So position of Hariom from the right end is 12. So find the total number of people in this row. So formula is left position plus right position of the same person minus 1. So left position of Hari Om is 13, and right position also of Hari Om is 12 minus 1. 13 plus 12, it means 25, minus 1, it means 24. So there are 24 people in this row. So here option D is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. Now question number 58. If A stand for addition, if A stand for addition, now S stand for subtraction, S stand for subtraction. Now D stand for division, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, G stands for greater than, G stands for greater than, and E stands for equal, E stands for equals. Now L stands for less than, L stands for less than. Now which one of the following is correct? Find the correct statement. So taking option A. Now according to option A, 2, L means less than, 2 less than 2. M means multiply, 4. Now A means addition, plus 1. Now M again it means multiply by 4. Now S means subtract, 8. So 2 less than 4, 2 into 4 it means 8, plus 4 into 1 it means 4, minus 8. 2 less than 8 plus 4 it means 12, 12 minus 8, 8, 2 less than 4. Yes, 2 is always less than 2, 4. It means option A is the correct answer of this question. Now let's move on to the next question. So now question number 59. Find out the amongst the 4 alternatives as to how the pattern would appear when the transparent sheet is folded along with dotted line. So if we fold this transparent sheet along to the dotted line, then this transparent sheet will look something like this. So here option B is the correct answer. Option C shows the correct folded transparent sheet. So here option B is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. Now next question is question number 60. Find a completely unfolded figure of Z. So find the unfolded figure of Z. Okay, first unfold the figure Z, then we got Y. Now unfold the Y, then we got X. Now find the image of X because X represents unfolded paper. So first unfold the Z. So when unfold Z, Y, one unfold the Z because Y has been folded in this direction. So it means first unfold the Z in this direction. So here this is the figure of Y. Now unfold and find the mirror image. So mirror image of this part like this, and this part will remains same, and also this part. This is the figure of Y. Now unfold the Y, then we got X. Now unfold the Y, then we got figure X. So now unfold the Y, then we got, so mirror image of this part like this. So this is the X, and X represents unfolded paper. So here option C is the correct unfolded paper of given paper. It means option C is the correct answer of this question. So we have finished the solution. I hope you understand it well. If you have any query and doubt regarding the solution, please log in the website and click ask the doubt option and write your doubt there. Any new information related to Matrix Olympiad will be updated on this channel. So please subscribe the channel for more updates, and you can also have new updates on our WhatsApp channel. To join, click on the links provided in the description box. So thank you so much for being here. Have a good time.